what you say. Your love is a game that I don't want to play.
Yeah, baby, that's so fun.
We're riding park again. Are you really surprised? The dirt is tacky, the slabs are slabby, and I nearly broke a hip. Oh no. Which must mean we're at Mountain Creek Bike Park in New Jersey.
Oh my god, that was cool! Bike park day. We were supposed to leave 20 minutes ago. It's 6 a.m. Let's roll.
I'm doing alright. Since we are apart, you know it's always the heart first. Don't care if it hurts, you're making.
Alright guys, another day, another bike park. We are at Mountain Creek Bike Park. I'm trying something new today. We got the helmet cam, so it's gonna be a chin mount GoPro. Hopefully I don't suck butt with it. It's gonna be a blast. I love Mountain Creek. Try to keep it safe. It's really moist out right now. Calling for some thunderstorms later in the day, so come hop on the bike with me as we rep Mountain Creek Bike Park. Woo! What up, dog? There's Logan. Let's go, man. Good to see you, dude. All right. Testing the chin mount, really, but we'll get in a little green run. Just kind of flow through it, feel out the dirt, feel out the GoPro camera angle. I'm not hitting the wood in the wet. F that wood. Oh, these guys got the traction though. Yeah, boy, those feel good. Oh, it's gonna be a sloppy day, I can tell already. Oh my god, that takes all your speed away. Still good. Oh, it's good. That's fun. Oh, bike's feeling good, but we haven't hit any chatter yet. Oh, it's huge! Yo! Sloppy here, go high. I'm not going on the rocks. Forgot about that. Jeez. We're good. Oh, can I even gap this today? Yep. This is a one run.
You know how I said I was trying a new GoPro mount? Yeah, at some point I bumped it and at least half of my footage looks like this. Which is kinda cool if you really want to analyze the terrain, but like not for anything else. So let's get back to some better footage. And thankfully my buddy Harry from Minority Mountain Bikers actually knows how to mount the camera and got some really sweet follow cam footage of me on some flowy warm-up runs. But that's enough warming up for now. Time to get in some proper party laps. And what better way to do it than running a train down Tempest while we work our way up to my favorite jumps at the park, the Moon Booters on Lower Dominion. Surely we'll get there today, right?
Yeah, baby, that's so fun. I'm right next to you. Oh my God, that was cool. That was so sick. Oh, that's a cool line. We're running a train. Yeah. Oh God, I cased it. I popped so badly off that. Oh my God. That's a freaking ball, dude. Oh my God, great stuff, guys. Run it. Yeah, this one. Yeah, buddy. Dude, it's running so good. Oh yeah.
As we were halfway into the day, it was time for a mandatory brew and a quick bite. After all, what comes next are some of the biggest jumps in the park.
The best thing about bike park is the food. Nothing else.
Yeah.
Yeah, no bikes, food, and drinks.
As we finally made our way down to Lower Dominion, I realized I've never fully committed to the jumps on Upper Dominion. And that is for good reason. These jumps roll fast, and the lips are really short and kicky. In my opinion, these types of jumps are the absolute hardest to get right, and take way more technique than others.
Oh my God! Yeah, that'll do. Holy cow! Oh no! Oh shoot, that hurt.
So what happened? What caused me to aim my bike to the moon and pretty much loop out off of the back? Was I finally attempting a backflip? No. In all reality, I mistimed my compression on the jump and got absolutely rebounded off the lip. Unfortunately, that minor crash actually ended my day. I bent my cranks so badly that they were hitting my frame. Other casualties included a massively bruised hip and some tweaked fingers. But I think the biggest hit was that I didn't even get to ride my favorite jumps in the park. But wait. That can't be it. The day can't be over though, right? The boys are still out getting after it. There's still plenty of daylight. So let's take a peek and see what Ashan's up to.
Whoa, nice big slabs though. Ooh, what is that? Is it a roller? Whoa. Phew. Alright, first time going down in Dumbo. market. What the heck is this? I'm tired. Oh. I'm not doing the phantom drop. Oh, progression jumps. So rutted. Alright, send it. Alright, I guess we're going. Nice one, dude. Sick. So sick.
At the end of it all, the boys did get in some lower Dominion playtime without me. Ashin went on to be crowned the king of the one-liners.
I think, oh, that's a rock.
And I took it easy and made some new friends at the bottom of the mountain. Regardless of my situation, it's impossible to not enjoy yourself at Mountain Creek.
That is gonna do it, guys. It is raining. We're getting out of here. All in all, it was a very good time at Mountain Creek. I don't think I can have a bad time at Mountain Creek. I had a blast for the amount of riding I did. It sounds like Ashin had a blast for the amount of riding he did. Why are we wearing the same shirt?
I brought this.
I brought this before you.
Oh, I thought you were wearing mine for a second.
Dang it, this I'm not wearing yours, you're wearing yours.
Okay.
As always, thank you for hopping on the bike with me, guys. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm gonna go lay down.